Standard 8 Mathematics, chapter number 5. What is that chapter number 5? Expansion formulae. Now let us recall expansion formulae you people have already studied in standard 7th. First formula, a plus b whole square. So it is the expansion of a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third formula, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will give us a square minus b square. Now, today in standard 8th, we are going to see expansion of x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b. These are two binomials with one term in common, and a and b, these are unequal terms. So therefore, x plus a into x plus b, as we'll start multiplying. First of all, we'll multiply each term by every term. So x into x plus b, here I have written x into x plus b. Similarly, plus a into x plus b. So x into x plus b, a into x plus b. Let us open the bracket. X into x is equal to x square. X into b. Alphabetically, I should write x into b as xb. Instead of xb, I should write bx. Here, a into x as ax plus a into b as ab. X square as it is. Now, in these two terms, second term and third term, there are four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in second and third term, x is common. Can you see the x common? So taking x common, what remain in the bracket? From here b plus from here a. So it will be x square plus b plus a into common x plus ab. Now let us write it in a proper way. X square plus, instead of b plus a, I have written it as a plus b into x plus ab. So remember, first formula from expansion formula in 8th standard, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we'll start with exercise 5.1, which is based upon this first expansion formula. So here we are from practice set 5.1, first sum, a plus 2, a minus 1. We have to expand it. So the equal term is a and unequal terms are 2 and minus 1. So formula says that it will be a square, equal terms square, plus sum of these two unequal terms. So it will be 2 plus minus 1 into equal term, plus the last term will be product of unequal terms. So it will be 2 into minus 1. So here I have written 2 into minus 1. So we'll start with simplification. A square plus 2 plus minus 1 plus into minus is equal to minus. So it will be 2 minus 1 into a plus 2 into minus 1 will give us minus 2. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Now a square plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 into a minus 2. So it will be a square plus 1a minus 2. But coefficient 1 cannot be written. So finally your answer will be a square plus, instead of 1a, just write a minus 2. We'll move towards example number 2. Example number 2 is m minus 4 into m plus 6. We have to expand it. So the equal terms are equal term m and unequal terms are 6. So same thing is applied here also. So it will be m square equal term square plus sum of those two unequal terms. So first term is minus 4 and another term is 6. So it will be minus 4 plus 6 times equal term, which is m, plus last term will be product of unequal term. Unequal terms are minus 4 and 6. So it will be minus 4 into minus 6. So m square plus 6 and minus 4. These are two different terms. It is one term is plus 6 and another one is minus 4. So after doing subtraction of these two, 4 will be subtracted from 6 and finally the answer will be, larger term sign is plus, so therefore it will be plus 2m. 6 4s are 24, but 6 into minus 4 it is, so your answer will be minus 24. Finally you have m square plus 2m minus 20. Now we move towards example number 3. Example number 3 is p plus 8 into p minus 3. It is p minus 3. So equal term it is p and unequal terms are 8 and minus 3. So after using that formula, it will be p square equal term square plus a plus b, unequal terms are a and b, or here 8 and minus 3. So it will be 8 plus minus 3 into equal term p plus last term will be product of those two unequal terms. So it will be 8 into minus 3. Unequal terms are 8 and minus 3. So here I have written 8 into minus 3. Start simplification now. So it will be p square plus 8 plus into minus, it will be minus 3 into p plus 8 into minus 3. We'll open the bracket now. P square plus, after doing simplification, 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So it will be 5p. 8 into minus 3 is equal to minus 24. Example number 4 from exercise 5.1. It is 13 plus x into 13 minus x. You can write it as a plus b into a minus b. You can consider it as a plus b, a minus b expansion. What is the expansion of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Here a is 13 and b is x. So it will be 13 square minus x square. What is the square of 13? 13 13s are 169 minus x square. Now we'll move towards example number 5. It is 3x plus 4y, second bracket 3x plus 5y. Check here, the common term or equal term is 3x and another two unequal terms are 4y and 5y. So same thing is applied here also. First common terms square. So it will be 3x square plus addition of two uncommon terms. Addition of these two uncommon terms into common term 3x. So 3x whole square plus 4y plus 5y into 3x plus last term will be product of these two terms which are uncommon terms. So it will be 4y into 5y. Open the bracket. 3x whole square will give us 9x square plus 4y plus 5y. 4 plus 5, 9y into 3x plus 4 5s are 20 y into y square. 9x square plus 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27. Instead of yx, I should write it as xy plus 20y square. So this will be example number 5. Now we move towards example number 6. So the example number 6 is 9x minus 5t, first bracket, and the another bracket is 9x plus 3t. So in these two brackets, common term is 9x, whereas uncommon terms are 5t and 3t. So as far as formula is concerned, it is common term square. What is the common term? 9x. So it will be 9x square plus sum of uncommon terms. Uncommon terms are minus 5t and 3t. So here addition of these two uncommon terms into common term. What is the common term? 9x plus product of uncommon terms minus 5t into 3t. So here I have taken minus 5t and 3t. So what is the square of 9? It is 81. Square of x, x square. Here these two terms are different terms. So it will be subtraction between 5t and 3t. 3t will be subtracted from 5t. Your answer will be minus 2t. Why minus 2t? Because larger term is 5t, which is minus, into x. Here first of all multiply coefficients. Minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So it will be minus 15. T into t, t square. Let us simplify it now. 81x square minus, now see here, 9 into 2, 18, x into 2, xt, plus into minus, it will be minus 15 t square. So finally your answer will be 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. Now we move towards example number 7. Check example number 7. Here it is. M plus 2 upon 3 and another bracket m minus 7 upon 3. So by formula it will be square of the common term. What is the common term here? M. So it will be m square plus sum of uncommon terms. 2 by 3 plus minus 7 upon 3. These are uncommon term into common one, which is the common term m, plus product of uncommon term 2 upon 3 into another uncommon term is minus 7 upon 3. We'll open the bracket here now afterwards. So here m square plus 2 upon 3 plus into minus will be minus 7 upon 3 into m plus. Now we have to multiply these two integers. How to multiply integers? Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. We have to do the multiplication in this way. So 2 7s are 14, but it is minus 7. So 2 into minus 7 will give us minus 14. 3 3s are 9. Here denominators are same. So adding or subtracting only numerator. It will be 2 minus 7. Here I have written 2 minus 7 upon 3 times m minus 14 upon 9. Now do the subtraction. 2 minus 7, it will be minus 5 upon 3. 2 will be subtracted from 7. So m square plus into bracket minus 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. Open the bracket, plus into minus will be minus. So finally your answer will be m square minus 5 by 3m minus 14 upon 9. So here we are. with example number 8 and now 9 also. Only 2 examples remain. Example number 9 is x plus 1 upon x bracket close. Another one is x minus 1 upon x. Here we can consider it as a, this one as b. So x as a and 1 upon x as b. So it will be a plus b, and here a minus b. What is the expansion of a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So a means x square minus 1 upon x whole square. What is the square of x? X square minus square of 1 ones are 1, and square of x square. Now let us turn towards example number 9. See example number 9. It is 1 upon y plus 4 into bracket 1 upon y minus 9. So here we are. Here 1 upon y is the common term, whereas 4 and minus 9, these are uncommon terms. So by formula, it is square of the common term. What is the common term? 1 upon y. So it will be 1 upon y whole square plus addition of the uncommon term. 4 plus, what is the another uncommon term? It is minus 9. So I have used here bracket into common term 1 upon y plus product of those two uncommon terms. 4 into, what is the another uncommon term? Minus 9. It is minus, so I have used bracket once again here also. Square of 1 is 1. Square of y is y square plus 4 plus into minus will be minus 9 into bracket 1 upon y plus, yeah, 4 into minus 9. Now here it will be subtraction between 9 and 4. 4 will be subtracted from larger term 9. So answer will be 5, and the final answer sign will be larger term sign, which is minus. So here I have written minus 5 into 1 upon 9. Here multiply 4 and 9. 4 9s are 36, but 9 is minus. So your finally answer will be minus 36. So 1 upon y square plus into minus, it will be minus 5 ones are 5, numerator into numerator. So 5 ones are 5 divided by denominator is y here, plus into minus minus, so it will be minus 36. So your answer, final answer will be 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. You people have to write all these examples in your classwork book and then practice them in your practice book afterwards.